niggas look like a candlestick. Them niggas know when it come to the door, I be really out handling shit. I still got some yams to pitch. I did it all for the family and shit. I cooked the brick and then I took a trip, had it stuffed in the Camry and shit. I should quit going hand me on shit. I know some niggas can't stand me for this, but they never handed me shit. Them niggas, they try to ban me for this, so I put a band on my wrist. I'm not the one to be playing for shit. Marlo, you know what I'm saying and shit. Pull up and hop out, I'm spraying this shit. I just wrote this verse and I'm laying this shit.
Freeway, do the work of the E-way. Moving the trap like a speedway. They say they coming cause they need cash. Freeway, do the work of the E-way. Moving the trap like a speedway. They say they coming cause they need cash.
I take them tricks and I bag it up. Got me 2 bricks and I trap it up. Just made a sink, got stack it up.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So it is officially, I don't even know what time it is. It's early morning, late night, but early morning. I think it's like 3, 4, 5 o'clock maybe. I don't know, somewhere around there. Anyway, don't ask me why I keep getting up and freaking cooking in the middle of the night. I went to bed early, woke up, started doing some work. And then I decided I was hungry. Created a video, did the whole cooking series and whatnot. Phone cut off, okay? So hopefully the video saved. This is the first time I ever cooked my noodles this way. Y'all, tastes delicious. I got eggs in here, as y'all can see. Freaking delicious. The one ingredient that I started putting in my noodles that I will never stop, turmeric. Oh my God. It totally kicked it up a notch. And ever since the first time I've been putting it in there, now I can't stop, okay? I should be asleep right now. The other thing that I did, hot pot meat. I'm calling it hot pot meat because the first time I ever had it was at the hot pot, a restaurant. It is halal. I mean, it's actually shaved beef. This particular one, because I have lingam also. This time I decided to fry it. We'll definitely be doing that from here on out. That kicked it up a notch. Y'all know I love cilantro. So I got tons of cilantro in here. Excuse me. But y'all, look how the seasoning is on the eggs. So good. I was actually going to just lay back down, but then I ain't going to lie, I'm glad I actually came to do this. That I went and made my noodles. This is going to make me sleep a little bit later, maybe, I don't know, but hopefully not. Either way, I'll be full, okay? Oh, and if you watched the other video, for when I made it, y'all didn't get to see me put my stuff together at all. So I organized everything, ladled the juices in it, and then I poured the seasoning packet in it on the side and mixed it in. But this one has so much flavor. I'm definitely making them like this from here on out. It's, the only thing I'm missing is my fish sauce, but honestly, I can't even tell, being as though I did the vinegar and the way I did this. But please don't get it messed up. I will be ordering some and using this again just to see if the fish sauce puts it on 1,000. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this one's good. And I done made noodles before. And I done messed them up before. I try not to stray too far off the beaten path with it. Mostly, as long as you put the seasoning packet in it and not too much water, you can barely mess them up. But stranger things have happened, okay? Either way, it just turned out excellent. But still, look at the eggs, y'all. All that seasoning. These were white when I stuck them in here, okay? The bowl's still hot and piping, so it didn't take that long to turn them, as you see it. This definitely has good flavor. I'm almost wondering what else I can do with this meat right here. Don't ask me why I keep waking up at this time. My husband must be a late night dude, because I'm trying to tell you, like, I'm normally not awake at this hour. Hold on, let me take that back. I'm normally waking up at this hour, okay? Excuse me. But lately, I've been just awake, okay? It's strange. Okay, y'all. So, what's in there is soup, broth, not too many noodles there. So, as y'all know, when the food gone, I'm gone. Thank you for coming to my channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Go with God.
Just wrote this verse and I'm laying this shit.
E-way, do the work of the E-way.
them tricks and I back it up. Got me 2 bricks and I trap it up. Just made a sink, I stack it up.